Thank you so much for joining me today. So we are looking at factorising. Now when we are looking at factorising, I would like you to think about factorising is the opposite of expanding. So we need to think about our highest common factor with our numbers, and we're going to get it into brackets. So first thing I want you to think about here is we've got 20n and we've got 50. Highest common factor. So, but both of them do not have n. So n can't be part of the factor. 20 and 50. I can see straight away that with it's 20, I have 20 divided by 2, 20 divided by 4, 20 divided by 5, and 20 divided by 10, and 20. But with 50, I've got 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. I could go more, but I'm not. So I can see straight away that what is common between them is they both have 10. So that means I'm going to take 10 out of the bracket and put it here. So then I need to think about, okay, well, what's 20 divided by 10? 20 divided by 10 is 2, so I've got 2n, minus, what is 50 divided by 10? 5, and end my bracket. I can double check that quickly by thinking about my understanding of expanding. 10, this 10 times by everything in the bracket, 10 times 2n is 20n, 10 times negative 5 is negative, because a positive and negative is a negative, and 5 times 10 is 50. So there we have it. Let's go down and look at the HCF of our next equation. So we've got 15 km, take 25 mn. Now the first thing I need to be thinking about is what is common with the letters. Well, so far I can see that they both have m. So m will always be part of it on both sides. Then I look at 15. So it could be 2m. So not 2, it could be 3m and 5m. Because 3 and 5 are both going to 15. How about 25? Well, I know 3 does not go into 25, but I know 5 does go in. So you see how I'm still keeping that letter, the unknown there, because they both have that in common. So straight away I can see that we have 5m is the common variable, is the common amount. So that's the highest common factor. So that means that 5m is going to go on the outside. Then I think about, okay, 15 km divided by 5m equals 15 divided by 5 is 3. We've already got the m outside, so we've just got k there. Minus 25 divided by 5 equals 5. We've got the m there, but so we'll just put the n. Now we can double check that. 5m times 3x, so 5 times 3 is 15. It's timesing by m and it's timesing by k. Take away, we've got that there. 5 times 5 is 25 times m times n. So we are able to double check our answer to see if we are accurate. The last one I want to go through is a bit more challenging, but that's why I want you to talk about it. Let's talk about it first. Y in brackets x plus 3 plus 7 in brackets x plus 3. So one thing I notice, everything in the brackets are the same on both of them. So that means y has to times by x plus 3, and so does 7 has to times by x plus 3. And 7 and y are not timesing against each other. So the way I look at this is, I'm going to write it down here, is that means y and 7 have to times with x plus 3. if we think about writing it like this, the y is timesing by x and it's timesing by 3. The y is timesing by x and it's timesing by 3. The 7 is timesing by x and it's timesing by 3. The 7 is timesing by x and it's timesing by 3. And we are adding them together. So it hasn't changed anything. It just makes it a lot simpler to have a look at rather than having 2 sections. I really hope that helps you understand factorization. If you need any extra help, message me and I'll get back to you.